Hey guys, yes, you're back at the channel. If you've been here before, thank you very much for coming back. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, because you're definitely going to get some value from me on my channel, talking about social media, talking about intentional living, and talking about like travel, because I'm going to a few places next year. I went to a few places this year, and yeah, we're gonna get into more why I'm taking YouTube a lot more seriously in 2019. Yes, so in 2018, what have I learned about YouTube? I learned a lot. I knew that YouTube was a great platform to be on, but the hardest thing for me is being able to turn around content every single day, like vlogging. And I think vlogging is good. It's a good style of creating content and showing people how your day is and your progression of your journey. But also want to lean on the tutorials and why I do specific things, and also track my progress as well. But what I want to do is just give as much information as possible, as much value as possible. You probably hear that everywhere. Value.
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 Or value. Value.
Value that, but great value that you can take away and learn. So in this year, 2019, I am doing a course which I'm going to give away to selected people for free. Please shout out if you want it, because there's loads and loads of information in there that you can use to implement in your social media, whether that's Instagram, YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. Yeah, and I'm just going to give that to you guys. I've worked with some big companies, Jaguar Land Rover, iPro, eCareers. This stuff works, but I'm really starting to take YouTube super serious because I actually like video. It's the whole reason why I got into more marketing. Well, I love marketing, but the video aspects, like taking people on that journey, showing people how it's done, why you should do it. But I'm starting to love it. So YouTube has just basically helped me create more, and I'm challenging myself to do 365 days of the year of next year. This year. Today is now the first. It is 2:41.
Happy New Year! Yay!
So this video is gonna go out. Things on the agenda for this whole channel in general: social media tips and tricks for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, the lot, ads, everything. I'm just going to be able to do that for you guys. I'm also going to do advanced to go with Dave Furness, and I'll keep it consistent. And I'm also going to do intentional living vlogs, where basically I'm going to be like intentionally living, writing down everything down, being more organized, being more productive, and sharing how it's working for me with you guys. I'm definitely going to take YouTube a hell of a lot more seriously. But in 2018, there's been so much going on. Worked with some big brands, built teams, met some amazing people, learned many new skills on social media as well. But definitely in YouTube, I've realized something in YouTube, that it's not like riding the algorithm. If you're using the right keywords and the right search phrases, your content pops up to whoever's searching for your content. So I'm going to start delivering content to you, to a load of other people that'll be interested in that. So intentional living, social media tips and tricks, and advanced to go. Like I got my cousins and stuff like that are saying, oh, you should do something about fashion, or you're doing some stuff about gaming. And yeah, I'm interested in those things, but I'm keeping it very small, keep it simple. And if there's anything that you guys want me to do, then let me know. Leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll work on it and see if I can put that into this year, my 365 videos of this year. So some of the videos are going to be bulk, and then some of the videos are going to be vlogged. So vlog style is more like creating the content on the day, editing it on the night. And then the bulk stuff's going to be much like doing a lot of the tutorials to make sure that you guys get that information in advance. I'm building up a library to put out to you guys. Yeah, I'm super excited, and I've been learning quite a lot. It's just like keep on creating, and like if your work's not the best to begin with, don't stretch yourself. Just do as much as you can. You'll get better over time. You'll get quicker. So I'm really taking YouTube seriously to just better my skills and honing on my skills, learn more graphic design, a bit more animation, and yeah, I just want to share this with you guys because you're going to be seeing quite a lot more of what I'm going to deliver. I've literally been going through analytics and tips and tricks and listening to what other people are doing, and I'm just like, I'm doing that on other platforms, I'm doing it for other companies, but I need to start doing it for myself. So the frustration is that I know that I need to start putting more time into me, putting more time into my personal branding, but there's a lot this year that's going down. Last year was mental. Met so many great people, worked with so many great businesses, travelled a lot. I'm just excited for 2019. There's going to be so much going on. Yes, as you can see, this is my new space as well. I've got my new space. I just literally just smashed the table in here, put some paint on the wall. It's not even fully finished yet. I need to put some pictures in the frames, so excuse that. It's not complete, but it's going to be done fairly soon. I'm excited to get the whole room done, to be fair. As you can see, I've got loads of like camera equipment behind me. I'm gonna probably have a schedule for you guys pretty soon. But anyway guys, I'm gonna stop waffling on, and I want you to come up with one thing this year, one word that's gonna describe this year. Not just like amazing, but for me, this year, the one word for me is create. And just keep on creating, because one of the reasons why I got into it is to always be creating, showing people, taking people on a journey. I'm looking forward to creating more. That's why I've got this challenge. And guys, if you haven't smashed that subscribe button already, please do. Smash that subscribe button if that's something you like. Smash the like button because it's great to just do that. And in the comment section down below, I want you to let me know of more of what you want to see on this channel, or what you want to see on YouTube when I'm home. And yeah, I just want to know more about what you guys want, and then hopefully deliver on that. Anyway guys, I want to say thank you very much for staying with me. Now you know what's going on, what's happening with the channel. Yeah, stay in touch, because there's a lot going on. YouTube, 365 days, 2019. See you soon.